5 facts about fan. Fans have been in use for thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all used hand fans to stay cool in hot weather. These early fans were usually made of feathers, leaves, or other lightweight materials. Electric fans were invented in the late 1800s. The first electric fans were powered by direct current, DC, motors and were only used in industrial settings. It wasn't until the 1920s that electric fans became common in homes. There are many different types of fans. Some of the most common include ceiling fans, box fans, tower fans, and pedestal fans. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages, depending on the user's needs and preferences. Fans can help reduce energy costs. By using a fan in conjunction with an air conditioning system, it's possible to circulate cool air more efficiently, which can lead to lower energy bills. Fans can also be used on their own to provide a cooling breeze in moderate temperatures. Fans can pose a safety hazard if not used properly. For example, it's important to keep loose clothing and hair away from the blades of a fan, as they can cause injury. It's also important to ensure that fans are kept out of reach of small children and pets, as they can be easily knocked over. Thanks for watching.